Choosing the right test location. Make or break your SAT, ACT day. Hello, dear learners. Today we'll be delving into an often overlooked but crucial aspect of your SAT or ACT test preparation: choosing the right test location. Making a smart choice can help ensure you're at your best on test day. Choosing the right test location can influence 1. Your comfort. Being in a familiar or comfortable place can reduce anxiety. 2. Travel time. Picking a nearby location means less time commuting and more rest the night before. 3. Familiarity with environment. Knowing the ins and outs of the place can put you at ease. When picking a location, here are some important factors to keep in mind. 1. Proximity to home. Ideally, choose a location that's close to where you live. This will minimize travel time and allow you to arrive fresh. 2. Facilities. Some centers might have better seating, lighting, or air conditioning. If you have a chance, visit the center before the test day to get a feel of it. 3. Test center reputation. Talk to past test takers if possible. Some centers might be known for being especially quiet or well organized. 1. Visit in advance. This might sound over the top, but physically visiting a few potential test locations can give you a tangible sense of where you'll feel most comfortable. 2. Ask around. Chat with friends or teachers about their experiences. They might have valuable insights that you haven't considered. 3. Trust your instincts. After gathering all the information, trust your gut feeling. If a place feels right, it probably is. Once you've chosen a test center, 1. Plan your commute. Whether you're driving, getting a ride, or taking public transport, know your route and alternatives in case of unexpected issues. 2. Time your journey. Make a dry run. This will give you an idea of how long the commute takes and will help you plan your departure time. 3. Day before preparations. Prepare everything you'll need for test day the night before. This includes your ID, stationery, snacks, and a printout of your test location and start time. Choosing the right test location might seem minor in the grand scheme of things, but it can make a significant difference to your test day experience. We hope this video has shed light on why it's important and how you can make the best choice. Best of luck with your SAT or ACT, and remember, preparation is key.